Good afternoon, ngayon po ay June 28, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 28, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, June 28, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 28, 2026, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, June 28, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 28, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.